Greetings, this is Mr. Gusakuma back with your third assignment in exponential functions, where we start to look at some more of the nitty-gritty kinds of numbers that go along with our graphs of exponential growth. The first number I would like to speak to you about is that number 4 at the beginning of every single one of these answer choices. A was 4 times 3 to the power of x, B is 4 times 12 to the power of x, and C is 4 times 6 to the power of x. That 4 is our starting value. When we talked about interest, that was our principal amount, or starting amount. So in this case, this 4 that is present in every single one of these equations does represent the point 0.04 on the graph, which is at a time of 0, because our x-axis will generally be used for time as we apply exponential growth. At a time of 0, the starting value, time 0, initial value is 0, is at time 0, that graph should be at 4. So that 4 that's the same in every single one of our equations is that 4 that the graph is going through there. And so it is important to know, but that doesn't help us narrow down any of our answer choices in this case. So the other significant number in these problems is that number that is the base of the exponent, base being the number that is underneath our exponent. And as these are all exponential functions, that means our variable, our x, is a power. So for answer choice A, the base of that is 3. For answer choice B, the base of that is 12, and for answer choice C, the base of that exponential function is 6. Now keep in mind what we're looking for here, because these are all exponential functions, that means that these multiply by the same number each time. That base is the number we're multiplying by. So where this problem says 4 times 3 to the power of x, that means we'd be starting at 4. The first number would be multiplied by 3 once, so that'd be 4 times 3 is 12. And then the second number would be multiplied by 3 again. That base is what we multiply by again, so 12 times 3 would make the next number 36. And we can use that process to try and narrow down our answer choices. In this case, it does look like our graph goes through the point 112. So I am going to choose answer choice A to be the correct answer here. Earlier in this series, I asked you to recall the website or bookmark or remember the website desmos.com as a good way to graph these problems. It is also possible to graph your problem's answer choices to find the one that most closely resembles your graph. So if you aren't able to think through starting value and multiply by change, you can also graph these to compare your results. From here, you should have everything you need to be able to complete the other 3 problems in this set with no problem.